water heater get inflamed. But no, it's not igniting. I just a little clog in the burner. It's a little dusty. It's all cloudy here at the bottom too. Yeah, it's not breathing. Yeah, I can see why it's not getting no ignition. You got a lot of lint right here at the bottom of the water heater. Right here, it's not breathing. It's getting.
That might be our fault with all the clothing and these type of things.
Oh yeah, no. I got my laundry right next to mine too. But now you know. Look, you see that? That's for the water heater to breathe right there. It's to circulate air.
Sometimes we do put things there.
Yeah, look, you see? So I'm gonna wet it. I'm gonna clean it up. Should get it out of there. All right.
So we definitely need to stop doing that.
Yeah, it's all right. Nobody, you gotta.
The space is so small. Sometimes you don't.
You don't know till you know. Yeah, look at that. It's not gonna. So the little flame comes out of here. It heats up this bad boy. See how it's a little burnt out? You might have to change that. It's a little burnt out there. And that comes all the way back here.
Is that something that you have?
No, I have to go get it and all that. That's, to be honest with you, it's probably going to run you a little bit more. But
no, but my concern is...
better than changing the tank.
Whatever you do today, like am I gonna have to call like maybe in a couple of days again if that's burning out? Okay, that's fine. Okay.
No, you're getting everything you need. I mean, unless it pops, unless it's a different issue. But what I'm doing right now, I mean, your burners are clogged up.
Okay.
Look, it's all clogged up all around. I'm gonna clean this out for you.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm gonna clean everything. Should be good. I'm gonna clean the thermocouple, see if it starts sensing it. Sometimes a little dirt will block up the sensor and it won't sense the heat.
That was concerning, like if it's not gonna sense it.
Yeah. So right now it looks like it's not breathing right, and it is a little toasted, but we're gonna clean everything up.
All right, thank you.
I got you, my brother. You know me. I've been here like 7 years, but that don't mean nothing. You can still be here, but I'm known for saving everybody that money. Yeah, and I know a lot. You would have got a new guy in here, they would have known nothing. It's okay though, you gotta learn. Save some money, it's not leaking, so it's not leaking. Why you gotta replace it? Just clean it up. I mean, the thermocouple does look a little toasted though. A little toasted. I mean, it's good in here. Gas line, that's good. Just clean this all up. filter right here. Then it won't breathe. It's not getting air, it won't fuel. Need air, need oxygen. Wow, I think it goes all around. Oh, yeah. They got a worn out gasket too. Yeah, I see most of it. Let's go for the laundry. Yeah, it's all focused on this area. It's a little better. This piece is a little bit. Should be good to go. Probably this one. Yeah, that's looking good. That should work. Nothing looks bad in there. Inside looks great, honestly. Okay. I'm gonna put it back in. This fucking thing is always. I think to get back here for some reason. My hand in there. Oh, this thing. Jesus Christ. Nice and neat. Put it back together. She's pretty good to run. Everything looks good. Switch my legs too. Damn, what's up? I gotta like, oh god, oh man. Yo, this fucking screw's gonna make me lose my marbles. This fucking screw's gonna make me lose it. I swear to you. I'm gonna fucking lose it. Wow. Oh wow. This fucking screw. Oh yo, this screw's something else. Yo, any little bit of touch, fucking. What the hell's wrong with this shit? Yo, what the hell? Yo, I'm gonna lose it. Let's put her back together. Let me see. She's good. She's not cooked or nothing. Okay, let's put her back together. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's check it. Moment of truth. Should hear a click. I think we'll be fine.
Did it turn on?
Waiting on it. There you go. Yeah. That's good. Just needed to be cleaned. A little clogged up. I'm just keeping in mind, look, I was lit. Keep it away from this puppy.
Yeah.
And it brings oxygen in from the bottom. That's why it has the filter there. So if it can't get out, it needs a flame needs three things: combustion, ignition, and oxygen to run. So if you're missing one of the three, you ain't gonna get it.
You payment is credit card or check? What are you?
Credit card, check, whatever you could do.
Okay.
All right, it's 300 plus $319.88.
319.
All right.
Okay, I'll give you a credit card.
All right. You'll be good to go. I set it on the medium setting at B. All right.
How long before we could use the cottage?
Probably like 30, 45 minutes.
Yeah, we don't need it now. Just what's going
Oh yeah. Good news. That's good news, though.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it should last a long time. That's pretty good. I'll be right back. I'm gonna start writing up there for like 2-3 minutes. All right. All right, I'm good, my brother. What? Very happy, very happy. I forgot my phone.